Let's check. Can somebody give us feedback if you're live? Do you see it, Melisa?
Yeah, I'm here and I can hear you. So, but I don't know if our attendees are here yet.
I asked somebody.
Okay.
Good. Okay, perfect. I have the feedback. It's working.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. We are happy that you joined our live meeting today. I'm here with Melisa. Melisa, maybe you present yourself.
Hello, everyone. I'm working for UNA, and I'm the AI expert for UNA and showing our clients the platform and working with the design teams on the various of the brands across the whole world. So today, Anna and I are going to show you the platform. Before that, I hand it over to Anna to have a speech before our demo.
Exactly. So I would like to go with you through some parts of UNA. We say we have a facelift. Of course, we are constantly working that our product is getting better and better. And we are launching our agents now. And I go with you through some parts of our agents. Let's see. And anyhow, I mean, we can start also have a look who's Yuna, who's working there, and what are we doing. Okay, guys, I hope you see my screen.
Yeah.
So this is who we are and what we offer. We have, of course, a GenAI feature set. I think everybody should have this nowadays. You can use different GenAI parts and can design and create your prints. You can place your prints perfectly. You have all the measurements. I mean, Elizabeth will show you that later. You have a background removal. You can extract your designs and all what GenAI offers today on nowadays. And also we have a studio part where you can create your models, you can have a model library, or of course you can dress a model. And now we're coming to the next part, which is the most important thing. Also, Melisa will show you that a little bit. We are launching our agents. First thing is we have a trend agents. In this trend agents, we analyze WGS and Vogue, etc., and all the possible websites you choose to get analyzed. And we have a live input into the platform. You see, you can analyze colors, materials, styles, and so on. And then the next agent is our design agent. It's automatically designing based on trends, but also you can integrate your PLM system or you can upload spreadsheets. And then based on all the data, the design agent can design automatically. And is this not cool if you wake up in the morning and your designs are already graded, right, Melissa?
Yeah, exactly.
And then we have something very cool. I had a small fashion label and I always wanted to only bring out products they really sell. And we are launching our sales confidence agents. These agents can analyze, based on all the data we have been talking about before, can analyze every product and can tell you, has it the right market fitness and will that product be sold when you launch it? The next agent is more for bigger companies, I think. We have a data enrichment agent and analysis. That means, like before, we connect to PLM systems, ERP systems, and we analyze all this data to have a deeper understanding, of course, only in seconds, and to design really a top-selling design. And here you see how that works with the integration. And also everybody has to understand data is always the most important thing. We have to connect to PLM and ERP system if you want to have the real outcome and the best outcome of all of our agents. Also, if you don't have a PLM system or ERP system, we can offer that to you also as we have the data structure in our backend. And then very important for me was when we launched Yuna that we can connect to everyone and everywhere. That because we don't want to have a silo system which only can be used limited with a limit. And also we have always the latest technology, and the possibility what you have also is I work always with Gemini. I want to have Gemini in my in the platform. You can have this too. And holistically, what we are building is an enterprise twin. And with all the agents, you can combine them together. And with all the agents, you can really replace some processes in your company, small or bigger companies, to work really efficiently. And now I would give over to Melisa. Melisa, do you want to have add something to what I said right now?
Oh, it was so clear, I think. So I think it's better to jump to our platform and see how we can use it. So it
Perfect.
will be better. So let me share my screen. Entire screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So
Maybe it can be a little bit bigger, like
yeah, bigger.
the
Okay,
letters on the left side.
let's do
Like
it.
if you zoom a little bit. Yeah, that's getting better.
Yeah, this is better.
Yeah, this is better. Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So in Una AI, we have a new homepage right now. If you're already a user of the Una AI, so we have the Create Tab, Studio, Product Hub, and then what is going to coming soon, as Anna said, the agentic assistants. After I show you some tools, I'm going to jump on the agentic part to show you. So our tool stack, we have creative tools, editing tools, and technical tools parts. Right now, this is also a new update. And on the creative tools, let's do the product creation. You can do like by prompt or by sketch. So today, what I'm going to do with the by prompt and by sketch, and let's do a beautiful denim jacket. Okay, you should write down or describe always what you would like to, how you like to see. You can say the texture, you can put anything on your mind, and Yuna will create for you. So the other best thing on the platform, you don't need to wait until the new image page, so you can still use the platform. So after product creation, I would like to go our one of the new tools, not the new, is a updated tool, so which we have last week updated this. So this is a print placement tool, and on the tool you can manually put the print on the placement on the product or by prompt or all over. So right now this is our new feature. You can just type down roughly the what is the measurements of your shirt, and then you can also add the print, and you can also write down the measurement of the print as well. So let's say this one 40. Okay, so let's add maybe this one. Okay, so right now you can also change the centimeters from here. If you are coming from England, there's also inch measurement as well. You can also change the things from here if you don't know the exact measurement, but you're just like looking for the ideas, for example. So you can change here, and after you said that, okay, this is good, you can just like make the pattern seamless, and then you can rotate the pattern as you wish, and from here you can just change the opacity according to your will. So according to me, my taste, this is all done. So let's create. Click to create, and platform going to create for us. So this is the output from our sketch. So right now you can see that you can compare the both input and output accordingly. So our input was this, and our denim jacket is here. So you can also see the second one. You can always come and use the other tools to more changing or doing some manipulations, or you can go from the beginning and say other things like white denim cloth, jacket or something like that. It's
How's
all your
the
imagination.
platform, Melissa? How's the platform working with denim? What is your experience?
I think it's really good because texture is a little bit like different always to show. And in our platform, when you recolor the texture or like have the different kind of texture, it's always like a more consistent, I would say. So
And what
this
do you see as you're working with our brands? What do you see which feature is the most interesting for them? You showed right now the print
I
placement.
think, yeah, I think right now print placement is the very favorite tool, and also the styling tool under the studio part. I'm going to show that one too. So these two tools are very popular, I would say. So our clients using them daily, and as you can see, this was the what I want. So it is also in the 3D, still 3D, like a how can I say, a feeling of the like a ghost mannequin inside of the product, so which feels the like a more reality. So there are plenty of tools that we have. I just wanted to show you these two ones today. And I would like to jump quickly to the studio and then the agentic assistant. So would you like me to show another tools from here, Anna, or
No, I
jump
think
into the
it's okay.
studio?
We do, as we do this now more regularly, we can jump from tool to tool.
Yeah.
We should go now into our new launches, maybe, and maybe you tell a little bit why you think the agents are wanted by our brands, or why are agents good for
Mm-hmm.
brands in general.
Okay, so let's jump to the agents then. So we have right now on the it's not on the our platform, so it's going to come soon. But I'm going to give you some sneak peeks today. So we have the trend agents and trend fit analyzers and
It's super,
data.
it's super small again. Maybe we change it a
Ah,
little bit.
small?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. Yeah, it's gets small. So is it
a little bit
okay?
more,
Small
or
like
maybe
this?
I lead classes. Oh, now it's big.
Ah, no. Okay. So is it good?
I think so.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So we have the trend agents and trend fit analyzers and the data enrichment assistant. So when we are on the trend agents, we set so many agents and they're all completed their status for today. So let's see some night and party wear. So you can see the from the season, gender, category, status, created that and updated at all the like a kind of dashboard here. And when you click one of them, you can see the ranking firstly on the summary part. You can see the titles, description, sources, season, and the actions that you would like to. So, which means statement, for example, for this one, statement dress with bold silhouettes and the vibrant colors. So, the sources for this subject is from the Vogue, Fashion United, and Timara. And when you click it, under the summary, you can find a very good reasoning why this is important, why uh, it is the rank one. So, and you can see the all the even the mood boards as well. And also you can see the colors, which colors is the best according to this agent. So it is the emerald green, and you can also have the hex code. This is important, and you can see the sources again. You can also see the print patterns, which kind of patterns is favorable, abstract floral patterns, geometric patterns, and when you click it, when you see it, the source is always here. Style silhouette. It's also give you like in the columns asymmetric hemline, cut out details, everything a designer needs in here, and also the fabric materials when you just want to see what is on the trend right now. Design features like a cutout details, embellishments, layering options. So, so great to see everything. What do you think, Anna?
Yeah, I think so too. What do you think? How long did it take you as a designer to get all this information?
Sorry. So as a designer, so I I'm just like so happy to have this as an assistant actually, because when I run like all the trends, or like checking, oh, what should I design, what should I do, because you can't always have the information. But when you have the AI assistant on Una, it works like a 24 hours for you and for your brand. And it is always like so easy in the morning, just click the agent and see what happens in the world. So
And is it
amazing.
personalized? Can you personalize it or?
Yeah, you can. For the enterprise clients, we can like put the brand data, and as is shown in your slide, we can also add the PLM data, and they can understand which products just sell in the, like last seasons, and still maybe is the place, the field for them to like do that one, but like changing a little bit, maybe changing on the some top stitches, but still the same design, but like modify a little bit. So this can be happen as well.
Okay, cool. Do you have another? Ah, here you have to trade.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
perfect.
Let's check the trend fit analysis. This is another thing that I would like to show you. Maybe I can show this one to you. So this is the trend fit score. In this one, you can understand when you create something on the platform, you can understand what is the success of this product if you're going to produce it and you wanted to sell it. So this trend fit score gives you how a product successful in the market.
I was
So
calling that sales confidence algorithm, right? Or sales
yeah,
confidence agent. Great.
yes, yeah, exactly. So in this case, you can see the product in here, and product details like a metadata, the oversized crop cardigan, this is the color, pattern is solid. And on the right side, you can see the trend fit score. So this score calculated with the on this part is with the color, with the print, fabric, and if you just like change the numbers here, it weighs the weighs the calculation accordingly. And in the trade alignment breakdown, you can see the all the features that is written here, and according to the calculation, this product's trend fit score is 67% in the market. So it's a quite good score, I think. So yes, for today, I would like to show these features to you. Maybe in our last 10 minutes, we can do some Q&A session if you like, Anna, or do you like to add another thing?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the team if they're coming back with some questions, maybe in the comments.
Yeah.
Feel free to write some comments. I have the team here in the back end. I have some. The tech team is telling me, "Hey, tell everyone that these features are launched next week Friday." That will be great. And also, the marketing team will add some code for you. You have 1 week time to add this code. You find this in the comments. This is pretty cool. If you want to have like a personalized demo, of course, Melisa and me, we are jumping in always
Yeah.
to give you the whole overview and show you everything in action, what you want to see. And yeah, guys, do we have some questions? I see no questions until now. Hey, that was our first live stream. I think it's cool. We should do this every week now, right, Melisa?
Yeah, 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 exactly. So in the chat, I saw something
Yeah.
from Dajana Eder. Hello,
Oh,
Dajana.
perfect. Oh, I see that. Oh, Diana's here. Oh, cool. Hey.
Yeah. So the question is, so I can use my ready set product and run the data market fit.
Absolutely. That's
Yes.
yeah. You know why we talked, I don't know, we talked like 2 weeks ago. And yeah, you design and then you directly see your market fitness. And you design in seconds and can see if it's working. And then even though it will be maybe not shown in your sales confidence agent that it's not that best product yet. It gives you hints or gives you some suggestion how you can change your product to make
Yeah.
it the best selling product. And I think it's pretty cool. For me as a designer, I love it.
Yeah. Exactly. So we have another one, another question from Clemence. Hello, Clemence. The possibility to make a pattern of the product design. So for the pattern making is another thing. So what we can suggest for this one, maybe with the plugins in the feature, we can just like a plugin with the Browseware or Claw 3D or any software that you're using for the pattern making. We can just like make the information very quickly jump between Yuna and the software, and you can directly have a pattern on the technical drawing that you have. So this can
Exactly.
be.
We had like last week or 2 weeks ago in our summit, we have a startup we are working with there on pattern making directly. And we have 2 other collaboration partners. And as you saw in my slides, we can plug in and plug out everything. So you can have the pattern making directly connected to.
Yeah. And Darjana or Diana, I don't know how to spell it, sorry. She says, and I can do some updates which make sense. Yeah, you can. You can do the updates accordingly to the score, the fit score, and you can do the like design element application in the or the modification tool or the like a recoloring tool. You can change everything, or in the variation tool, you can see the all the possibilities and put it on the fitting and understanding what is the fit score for the market.
Yeah, Clue. Yeah, for example, you can connect to Clue for sure. Yeah, no problem.
Yes. So do we have more questions from our
listeners?
So love it already. Thank you. And thank you for everyone to come
Yeah,
here.
totally. Hey, I would say we do this next Friday again, and maybe we also get a guest in, like a
Yeah,
designer
would be
we
cool.
are working with.
Yeah, would be cool.
Would be cool. And then see you next Friday.
Yeah, thank you so much for today. See you.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye bye. See you next Friday. Bye bye.